All right, so we're going to check out the vikicity, I guess, shower head, 7 spray patterns, including a water savings thing. I don't know what that means. Let's open it up. I've already taken it out of most of its plastic. Shower head looks awesome. I like it. Let's put that over here. Here is the hose itself. We've got to take these things off that are on the ends because this isn't part of it. This comes off. You got 2 washers, don't lose them. This is your hookup that comes to your water supply coming out of the wall. And you get some plumber's tape. And they even put this in there to put over your drain. Cool. All right, let's do this. Okay, to get this off, all you do is unscrew this and it pulls off, I think. Maybe it doesn't. Oh yeah, there we go. So those are off. We'll just set them in there. Let's get the other side off. Unscrew it. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? Bam. And then this should just pull off. All right, so now we're ready to go. And if you look, it already has 2 washers in it, but they did give us extras. So we're cool there. But we're not going to attach any of this. We're going to put this on first. Then we'll put this on after we screw this to that. And that's how we're going to do it. It's supposed to go a certain way that the threads go, but I think we'll be fine. That should be good. That'll do it. All right, so this end here goes into the shower like that. So you just got to get it to thread properly. And I think I've got it on. Now I just got to get it around. And you got to get it all the way around until it gets to there. Now look, now it moves. I couldn't move it before, but now I can move it. So apparently that is how it was built. You have to screw it on and then you can move it. All right, so we're gonna do it just like that. All right, so now our hose comes down, sets in here, and then they can change it. I think it'll be okay. I mean, you can't really see those blemishes where I screwed it up. But anyway, let's go ahead and we'll hook up the rest of it. How's that sound? All right, so when you get this, just screw it on and then you can move it once it's on the pipe. Before, you won't be able to move it because it's really stiff. All right, so you guys have to understand that. I tried to channel lock it, that was a mistake. Okay. So anyway, this is what it looks like on. Now we just got to wrap this with some plumber's tape. That should do it. You don't need a bunch, but just enough. All right, so anyway, these, if you look, they're the exact same. So it doesn't matter which one you put on which device. So what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna go ahead and screw this on. If you notice, I'm going clockwise if I'm looking at it, or righty-tighty. I'm just gonna hand tighten it. That's it. All right, now this one goes onto the wand. And we're ready to go. Let me set it down here for now. Get my wand. Right now, this may have a shower restrictor in it, which we could pull out. All right, so if you want to pull your shower restrictor out, you need some needle nose pliers, and that's it right there. That's how you do it. Now, there's no shower restrictor in this, and we'll get much more power. See that? See how it restricts it into those little, there's like 3 little chambers. Without that being in there, you get full force water coming through. Now this will be even stronger. All right, so here it is. Now I could put some plumber's tape on here, which, you know, I mean, if I'm gonna go crazy, I could do that. Let's go ahead and do it anyway, since we got the extra plumber's tape. With one hand, and then pull it around with the other, till you meet it on the other side. And I think just like, you know, do you really need like 4 or 5 passes? I don't think so. I think that's gonna be good. That should be enough for us, right? Now all we got to do is connect our hose. And again, we're just going to screw it on. Now this should be super powerful. Let's tighten it down. All right, now we're ready to go. Okay, looking good, right? Our hose is connected. All right, so our hose is connected. Follow this up. We're connected up here. And then you can just set your thing right in there. Bam, there is your new shower head. Now you can bend it so you get more of an angle on it, like that. Pull back. So this does move, see? If you want to go up, you just pull it up. If you want to go down, you just pull her down. So you can get it at different angles. Let's leave it right about there. I'm going to turn it a little bit this way. And that's that. All right. So I'm just going to pull this off of here for now so that we can get a good idea of the length of it. So, you know, if you're sitting in here, you can pretty much get the nooks and crannies pretty good. And so let's go ahead and we'll turn it on and we'll see how she works. How's that sound? All right, so let's go ahead and just take her out of here. Pull it out. I'm just going to set it down here for just a second, just like that. All right, to move this through the settings, all you do is pull this. And it's supposed to have 7 different settings, and we're going to look at them and see how they work. All right, here we go. So first we got to turn the water on, right? And then we got to pull this out. And here she goes. Let's go all the way to the 1 setting. So here's your first setting, right? Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, seventh. So it looks like it's pretty good. I think that's going to work well. Let's put our drain thing down back. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.